So, if you've been anywhere near the drone community lately, you've probably noticed the Mavic 4 Pro leaks popping up everywhere. From retail boxes surfacing to price tags creeping higher, it's clear that DJI isn't trying too hard to keep this under wraps anymore. And with May 13th rumored as the official launch date, it's safe to say more leaks are coming soon. One of the more interesting updates comes from Jasper Ellens, shared via Drone XL. It's about the electronic ND filters. Yeah, the ones people thought might get cancelled or delayed. At first, it looked like bad news, but now it seems they are coming, just a little later than expected. Word is, they'll likely drop later in May due to some technical setbacks. Still, they're on the way, and that's a win for content creators. These ND filters were supposed to be included in the creator combo, but even if you skip that bundle, no worries, they'll still be compatible with the regular Mavic 4 Pro. The price? Around $220. Not cheap, but worth it if you want precise, cinematic control over your lighting. Here's a fun new twist, literally. The Mavic 4 Pro doesn't have a traditional power button. Instead, you just flip out the front right arm and boom, the drone powers on. No more fumbling around trying to press a tiny button or doing that awkward double press we all hate. DJI is embracing a flip-to-fly design, and honestly, it's a welcome change. Let's move on to the new RC Pro 2. I've mentioned it before, but I missed a pretty cool detail. The screen flips vertically. That's right, it has a 7-inch flip-up display that can go into portrait mode. So if you're shooting vertical content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, your controller now matches the format. DJI is clearly catering to creators across every platform. Now, shifting gears again, Igor Bogdanov recently shared a quick clip that looks like the Mavic 4 Pro going through final testing. He also dropped a clean shot of the drone packed with its new carrying case, likely part of the creator combo. In that bundle, you can spot the RC Pro 2 and 3 intelligent flight batteries. But wait, there's more. In the background of that same video, another drone appears to be hiding. It seems like something from the Mini 5 lineup. Could it be the Mini 5? Or maybe the Mini 5 Pro? Either way, its appearance in testing means it's not far from release. So yeah, DJI is clearly ramping up in a big way. The Mavic 4 Pro is looking impressive, new accessories are rolling in, and the Mini 5 series is already peeking out from behind the scenes. 2025 is shaping up to be a major year for DJI fans. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the latest drone updates.